Welcome to Gadgets Garage. Today I am going to show you how to add the battery to a robot. I have created a simple robot with two wheels and a caster wheel. So let's get started. First open the robot tree, then scroll down, then right click on the battery subtree and add new value, then again add new value and then again add new value. So the first value is the current battery level in joules. So let me put 75, and then the second value is battery capacity. That means total energy that battery can hold. So it is also in joules. Let me put 100 here. And the third value is the charge rate in watts. Let me put 2. This value is useful when you are using a charger. So I am not going to show you how to add a charger here. I am just showing how to add battery today. And then finally save it. Then let me add these two values to the code. First, you should enable the battery sensor. Then you can get the value as follows. So you can see the code here. I am saving the code. Then I am reloading the project. You can see the battery here and the code here. So let me simulate. You can see here this first value is getting reduced. That is because it's the current battery level. You can see once the battery runs out, motion of the robot stops. So let's reload this. For the battery, let me put another higher value. Let's put about 400 joules for battery capacity, and current battery capacity also has 400. You can't exceed maximum capacity. That means the second value. Save, then reload. Now let's simulate again. Now you can see that battery is getting drained, and I'll fast forward this. Once the battery runs out, the robot stops automatically. Okay, that's how to add the battery in Webots. If you find this video is useful, then please like this video, and to see more videos please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.